Hey guys, welcome back to another video of DeFi Passive Income YouTube channel. So today we are going to take a look over one more baked bean fork, but this time it is on Phantom Network. So today we are talking about Spooky Miner. Collect bones, build skeletons, earn FTM. It's that simple. So I know you guys are loving these type of baked bean fork videos. So today here I am with another fork. So this project Spooky Miner is really new. I think it is released 2 to 3 days ago. So coming over to the contract, as you can see, currently it holds 3,02,647 FTM, and this contract gives you daily return of 8% over your investment with the APR of 2920, and the developer fee in this one is 6%. So if we compare it to the baked beans, they charge 3% fees, but here it is 6%. So before moving further, this is not a financial advice and I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research before investing into any of these projects, as these are super risky. So entering into this project is really simple. You just come over here, commit your phantom tokens. Suppose if you want to deposit 50 phantom tokens, just hit hire skeletons. So what this will does, this will take your 50 phantom tokens and it will be converted into skeletons. And these skeletons will generate daily rewards for you in the form of FTM tokens. Now the higher number of skeletons that you own in this contract, the more daily rewards they will generate for you in the form of phantom tokens. So if you are asking the question that if this project is sustainable with 8% daily APR and with this much phantom tokens in the contract right now. So if we take a look over baked beans, it has been around, I think, from November, and from November even after 6 months people are still coming to the contract and it is holding itself very good. So if we compare it to the success of the baked beans, we can relatively say that it can sustain itself for the upcoming months. So basically how these projects sustain themselves is by following a 6:1 strategy, which I have also discussed in my previous videos and I'll explain in this video as well. So basically you compound 6 days a week and you will claim your rewards on the 7th day. So suppose if you are committing your 50 phantom tokens on Monday, you will come on Tuesday, you will click on the build button, which is basically the recompound button, and you will keep doing this process until Saturday. But on the Sunday you will come over here and you will claim your FTM tokens by clicking on the sale bones button, and it will transfer all the available phantom tokens for that day into your MetaMask wallet or any other wallet that you use. So this is the protocol that all the investors in these types of projects commit to. It is called the 6:1 strategy, and by using this protocol, if the community works together in a disciplined way, the project can sustain itself over the upcoming months. So this is the basic game of these types of projects, just following the 6:1 strategy. But keep that in mind that if you keep claiming your rewards daily, then your daily return would go way down, like 3 to 5%, and your long-term gains will be affected by that. So the algorithm will hurt you if you claim your rewards daily. So just follow the protocol and enjoy the returns. Now if you look over their contract, as you can see, so these are all the transactions that are going on right now: hedge bones, buy bones, which means new investors are coming in into the project, and it also shows the project is healthy with a good amount of cash flow going on. They have also been audited by the Haze Crypto, and there is only one high issue, which states that users' principal deposits cannot be withdrawn. Users can get dividends and referral commission, and these are paid to other users, which is basically their way of saying that you cannot get your initial back. Suppose if you are committing 50 phantoms, you cannot withdraw them like as it is. The only way you can get these bags is through the daily rewards, which you will claim on weekly 7th day. So guys, this is the baked bean forks over the Phantom network. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below, and what do you think about this project. So that's it for today's video. I hope you have liked the content. If yes, then hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more future videos like this.